guys, it is Sunday, March 24th, 2024. Taking a look at crude oil. This is my personal video trade journal, not to be taken as advice. Also important to know I'm a day trade scalper. So everything I'm doing is all about trying to grab 20 to 80 pips a day. All right, so we'll start with the monthly and then drill on down into something more actionable. Looking at the monthly, it's kind of interesting. Got the 4 months in a row with these top dots while prices coming back up. So if you're into trend lines, we're right up against a trend line there. And we're right into a known level of resistance on the monthly. So this is very interesting here. Personally, I think we're going lower even if we bounce and get up a little higher temporarily. I mean a little bit higher. But anyway, let me not get into my opinions just yet. Just looking at this at face value, you got you got top dots on the monthly, even though we're bouncing. So, and you look at the technicals on the monthly, they're leaning lower. You've got this ascending trend line down here. So the range is getting tighter and tighter. Something's going to happen soon. Weekly, what's interesting to me about the weekly is this wick. Look at all last week. You had a nice move up and then, nope, sorry, fake out. So right into that resistance. Wicked into the resistance, just poked above it, and then got rejected. So does it try to just reclaim some of that and then roll over? Look at the the stochastic RSI is coiled. Yeah, what's up, son?
How do I connect this to there?
You what?
How can I connect
Oh, okay, yeah, I'll get to that in just a second. I'm almost done making this short video. Yep. Okay, that's a weekly. So the daily.
Oh, guys, make sure to leave a like and a subscribe on this video.
Okay, thanks for the plug, Miles. Good job. They're getting their marketing chops together already. So looking at the daily, basically this is an inside candle. You do have the top dot from Friday, but this is an inside candle. So again, is it just going to like a relief bounce? Is it going to try to come up and just give you more of a retrace into this resistance and then it rolls? Or did it already have enough retrace and it's already going to roll? Okay, so now going down to the 8 hour, what I'm loving about the Darvis box is it's good for inside candles. So here's an inside candle, 8 hour candle. And so I put a Darvis box, just a box. And this is not technically by the rules of Darvis, but I love doing this as a visual whenever I have an inside candle on a longer time frame. Because the clue is above the midpoint, which is 80.79, you have a chance to break out of the top. This is not rocket science, right? It's just a clue. If you're below 80.97, you have a chance to break out of the bottom of the box. So, just rough, quick and dirty sort of visual to give me some bearings of where am I in relation to Friday's inside day, inside 8 hour, inside 4 hour candle. This is Russian doll. So this is consolidating.
Where'd you put the black charger?
The black chargers, I think Ellington just had it. You have to ask Ellington. Sorry, guys, excuse me. So it's a consolidating area, consolidation period right here. Inside daily, inside 8 hour, inside 4 hour. So, and we're kind of right there in the middle of this box. So, watching that mid-level. Now, going back over to some Elliott wave stuff. Actually, let me go a little bit lower time frame. So this was a perfect three-wave bounce up into resistance, but this down move is very overlapping and then bounced up here right back into all this mess. So just purely like on a wave structure, if this was really ABC and like done, wouldn't this be looking more like an impulsive move lower? Maybe, because this is awfully overlapping down into this same zone that we've already been in. So, and also, this is not totally meaningful. But it made 3 higher lows and a couple of higher highs. So the door is alive. I mean, it's alive to get a B wave to come back up. Now let's go back up to the 1 hour. So B wave would be roughly somewhere up in here, 81.53 to 81.73. Could it come all the way up to grab? This is what these are reminding myself. The big money loves to come back for these wicks. So that would coincide nicely. This is like the merger of price action and Elliott wave. So that's what I'm really watching. Either this is what I'm watching. Either it rolls over, so an important level is 80.50. Can it hold 80.50, or can it break out of actually, let's go back and look at that box. Can it hold 80.50 to the downside, or is it going to break out of 81.11 to the upside, which is really this wick right here. So 81.11 to the upside, 80.50. So you got a 62 point range, 63 point range that we are in. So last thing, I did put on, which is it's uncharacteristic of me to do on a Friday. I did put on a tiny long position at 80.65 using the Renko charts. And I'm using a combination of the 8-minute Renko and the 3-minute Renko, and then sort of watching both of them. And then keeping an eye on the 1 hour Elliott wave chart to see, is this B wave gonna materialize? Anyway, so that's it. All right. Thanks for watching. Good luck, guys. See ya.